say a joy is in my soul since I returned home. You hear they talk about joy unspeakable. The half is never yet untold. That's what I'm talking about. There is this feelings in my soul that I wish to God if I could explain it. It's like I'm reborn. Everything is just brand new. Oh God. We are here 1 month. Today marks 1 month since we returned home. And in 1 month, I can go to the back of my yard and cut aloe vera. Cut aloe vera to make. To just eat out the belly of it. Because me always have constipation problem all of my life. And I remember say, me have all the things that I need for me healing. The writing at the back of my yard. Is the skin of the aloe vera bitter, people? The inside of the aloe vera has no taste. This is the #1 healing for the gut. Yeah. So is the skin bitter? I am not afraid of bitters either. So, we just peel it for peel sake. So I clean out the belly of the aloe vera. Means to me. And me tell you, say, no, Jamaica gospel music hit different. So me just go take it out and eat it just as is. Me not have the things them if we grind it up and mince it up. So persons are asking me, say I make a blog on the soursop leaf. People, please read to understand. I am not a herbalist. I just share my experience from time to time. I am not going to drink soursop leaf or the bushes every day anymore because of what happened to me last week, this time with blackouts. The whole world was spinning. The whole world was spinning on my head because my blood pressure dropped too low. So I'm not gonna drink any of those things every day anymore. So don't ask me my advice on how to drink soursop leaf. I am not a licensed herbalist. I don't know. I am telling you what I am doing. So this is the aloe vera. Water boil up. So when I make this one boil, to drink this kind of things is not for the weak. Just peel the aloe vera and just eat it like that. It's not for the weak. So this medicine, boil it yesterday. Soursop leaf, guinea hen weed, dry sorrel, ginger is this that I'm drinking, and I take it with the aloe vera. This is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. Believe me, it's not for the weak. Dear God. But you know, life sweet and it worth the risk. Mighty God. So my body is gonna thank me for this. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom now, get a shower while this purge my body.